Hi class, just wanted to touch base with you on where we are. I know Miss Angela covered some things in class, but I wanted to just quickly put together something for you to make sure you were following along well in class. If you recall, we were writing 3 body paragraphs to put together into a 5-paragraph essay model. And in one of the handouts you should have received in class, it kind of went over the basic process of an essay model. Thankfully, the first topic, determining a subject, was already picked for us in this particular curriculum. It was about the White Witch. The second thing was we were supposed to list possible topics. Again, in this particular curriculum, the introduction to this process was super simple. They gave you 3 topics, which was the manipulative witch, the fearsome witch, and the spiteful witch. Third step in the model process is to create a keyword outline from each source, and you did. And you put them all together and you wrote your 3 paragraphs, okay? So the next part, step 5, is you actually write your paragraphs, which you turned in the body ones. The next step is to write the conclusion paragraph. And when you write the conclusion paragraph, there's certain steps that you follow that IEW teaches, because they want to give you a general comfortability with the particular writing process, and then as time goes on, you learn to modify it and make it your own and add final sentences that make a whole lot more sense and kind of drive different things. It's whatever the reader's going to take away with at the end of your paper. And then after you write the conclusion, you're going to write the introduction. Now, I know that may seem confusing. A lot of people may think to write the introduction first, and then the body paragraphs, and then the conclusion. But Mr. Pudawa is really stressing the fact that they want you to focus on not freaking out about writing the body paragraphs. You know what you're writing about, those 3 topics of manipulation, fearfulness, and spitefulness. Then you can kind of summarize in the conclusion paragraph what you wrote about. And then now you can go and think about, okay, now that I know all these details, now that I understand what I'm writing about, let me introduce it to you in a fun way that makes you want to read the paragraph. So that's the first part. I'm going to create a second video in a minute.